Amita, are you okay?
Do you think this is easy? Being the first woman in the golden path. The one pushing for change while everybody else talks behind your back about how you're destroying their heritage. I am every bit the fighter, the kirati that they are, but they just see a woman. You're a smart man, Ajay, tell me. Am I the right person for this? Sabal, he's got all these supporters, and I just keep thinking, are they blind? Or am I just missing the point? No, indecision is for the weak. Okay. Remember that tea plantation? The poppies, they've been shipped to an old brick factory for processing. Sabal wants to destroy it, he's so sure of himself.
And you want to capture it?
Exactly. That's everything we need to plan for the future while he's stuck in the past. I say yes, he says no. But I'm hoping you will be the one to do the right thing.
Sabal. Amita told me about the brick factory.
And I bet she cried on your shoulder. Did she give you that sob story about being the first woman in the Golden Path? She's tried that with me. But she didn't fool you, did she, brother? This heroin is poison, pure and simple. Take out Noah's men and bring down the factory. End of story.
Here, use these satchel charges inside the lab.
I wish whoever cleared the outpost had stuck around to help us clean up the bodies. I hate getting stuck with barrier duty.
You lost your mind? Salam, beta Ajay. druggy!
Are you the Havildar?
Avidar, Sergeant, either one. It's an honor, son of Mahan. You see the smokestack? Cut the cable support and bring it down. Should create a nice hole to get you inside the facility.
Cut how?
Now that's the question, right? I'd save the explosives for the smokestack, the interior, and use the elephants to take out the cable winches. Have fun.
जल्दी करो!
Going up.
I'm gonna put you in the grave! Go! Move faster! On! Shot! Down! Come on! Come on! Give up! Heading to higher ground. Come on, keep it together! Hey! Keep shooting! Don't give up!
Let's go!
Fire here! Fire!
This time.
Stand your ground!
I've been out on patrols with him. I don't understand why you take the risk of Dwarf finding out.